Hi, Sir Renz Gonzalez Nailgas. Good afternoon. By the way, sir, my name is Nino J. Oriada Reyes, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, second year, from SC7 General Luna, Quezon. Sir, I have a few questions for you here that you need to answer. Comes from your heart. Number one question, sir, is can you tell me about the time when you felt nervous, shy, or embarrassed while speaking English? What caused that feeling, sir?
For me as a teacher, sometimes I feel nervous because when I'm discussing my lesson, so I can discuss my lesson into in English, but I feel nervous because of my students. Sometimes I don't know if my lesson is understand because I'm talking in English, but I also I also translate into Tagalog for better understanding of my students, especially in my lesson.
Question number two, sir. In what situations do you feel most comfortable using English and why?
Okay, so my answer in number two question is many situations where using English, we should be more comfortable speaking or using English when talking to our peers, especially if the topic is in English. So, because we Filipinos are bold, so we should be comfortable speaking English. If the question is English, let's not be nervous because English is our second language of Filipino, of every Filipino rather.
Question number three, sir. Have you ever felt judged and correct harshly when speaking English? How did it affect your confidence?
Okay, the answer of number three. For me, during those times when I didn't know how to speak in English, but I made it a reason to become a good speaker in English so they wouldn't laugh at me. I didn't affect me. Instead, I made it motivation in my life become proficient speaking in English, especially when I talk to someone who speak in English.
Here's the question number four, sir. What motivates you to continue learning English even when it becomes difficult?
So my answer in number four question, so I continue studying English because in my profession, I need it more so I can share to my student that it's not hard to learn in English.
Here's your last question, Sir Renz. Number five. How do you feel when talking to native or fluent English speakers?
Okay, for number five, last answer. So my answer in number five is when I talk to native speakers or people fluent in English, I'm happy with myself because I can keep up with them in speaking English. So for the better communications between me and the native or the people that I'm talking.
Here is my analysis and reflections to my previous interview together with Sir Renz Gonzalez Nailgas, a secondary teacher here in our province, General Luna, Quezon. Well, honestly, I didn't expect this, that I can have interviewed with this man, a teacher coming from one of the best school here in our province. Then, you know what, answering those questions, we have five questions here, and honestly, I was really shocked while listening to his answer because you know what, I don't expect that he can answer those questions shortly and meaningfully. Honestly, answering this question, according to his answer, honestly, according to his answer, from that questions, there is a lot of challenges even you are a teacher while speaking in English. You can experience actually bullying, threatening, not nice coming from other people while you are speaking in English, even the students. One of the hardest thing as a teacher, is the expectation, not only the people outside the school, co-teachers, but the one of the hardest is the expectation coming from your students. Because even you are a teacher, some of your students know, honestly, they really know how to speak in English fluently because they are using that language outside the school, even with the family of those students. Nowadays, English is our second language. That is the reality. That's why as a teacher, according to Sir Renz, he has an experience bullying, and he's shy before. She can talk nicely with the people, and he really want to learn more about English. Sir Renz wanted to learn more in English. He really wanted to speak in English fluently, and he really want to share to the students the learnings coming from himself. That is the best thing coming from that answers. And according to Sir Renz, yes, sometimes he felt that some people judge him while he is speaking in English. Because English is our secondary language. But nowadays, we have to know how to speak and use English language, which is very, sometimes, not very hard, but sometimes it's difficult for everyone. But we need to cultivate, we need to push ourselves to learn how to speak in English, to understand it, for us to grow as a person, even you are a teacher. Well, that's all, guys. Thank you so much, Sir Renz, for sharing your answer to me and for helping me. God bless you and more power.